I'm Colin Deckent with Keystone RV, and I'd like to introduce you to SolarFlex, Keystone's state-of-the-art RV solar energy system, now launching standard equipment on all travel trailers and fifth wheels. Without question, solar energy is the most highly sought after upgrade for RVers right now. Why? Campsite flexibility. With a solar power system, you may be able to camp totally off-grid, your neighbor's backyard, or even campsites without power hookups. Sustained renewable energy. As long as it's sunny, you can continue to keep your batteries charged and run all of the 12-volt systems in your coach without the need to run a noisy generator or lug around gas cans. It's good for the environment. Like any solar energy system, you're using a renewable resource, the sun, to provide power without burning coal or fuel or anything else. Last but not least, a solar energy system can provide energy from the sun to your battery, helping avoid accidentally running your batteries down and then having to replace it, which ultimately costs you money. And while many RVs now come with solar prep, or maybe even a basic solar power system, we knew we could give our owners something better. Because of our size, Keystone has the resource to design, purchase, and install solar energy at a lower cost than most competitors, and a much higher value than if purchased aftermarket. But our real advantage is Keystone's Innovation Lab, the experts behind many of the biggest advancements in the industry. Let me introduce you to John Brock, who will tell you more about how we designed SolarFlex to be the gold standard in factory-installed solar power.
Thanks, Colin. As we looked at expanding SolarFlex across Keystone's product lines, the first thing we did is pull together a team with deep expertise in designing solar energy systems specifically for RVs and RVers. In 2019, we partnered with Future Solutions to develop the first SolarFlex package for Montana, our luxury fifth wheel line. The team at Future Solutions is a great partner. They not only upfit RV solar systems all day, every day, but as an independent, they can source the right components for the job. We also pulled leaders from nearly every part of our organization: product development, engineering, purchasing, manufacturing, quality, and customer service to ensure that we designed an end-to-end system that would deliver for our customers. We were guided by three objectives. We wanted to design a system that would both be simple to understand and simple to operate. We wanted to leverage our buying power to source and deliver high-quality components straight from the factory. And most importantly, we wanted to design a solar system that was completely versatile so that our owners could easily upgrade their systems as they learned about how they want to use solar energy.
We've done the research, testing, optimizing, and planning to deliver 4 packages: SolarFlex 200, 400i, 600IL, and the 1200IL. Fifth wheels and travel trailers will come standard with SolarFlex 200. Many brands will offer SolarFlex 400i, SolarFlex 600IL, and the unprecedented SolarFlex 1200IL package. We call it SolarFlex because these systems were built to be flexible. That's one of SolarFlex's biggest advantages. Every SolarFlex package is designed so that you can scale it up before or after the sale. On our website, we'll show you exactly how to build out your system to give you the power you need for how you want to camp. The bottom line, we're making it easy for every owner to confidently take charge of their solar energy.
And when you're ready, we'll walk you through the setup and operation of your system with our quick start guides and our SolarFlex video series that can be found in the owner section of our website. Don't forget, the factory installed SolarFlex components are covered by Keystone's 1-year limited base warranty and any extended warranties through the component manufacturer. Please know that we are here for you. Whatever your question or concern, don't be afraid to lean on us for help.
To find out more about the individual SolarFlex packages and what packages are offered on each of the product lines, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Get ready to camp better. Welcome to SolarFlex.